Yes, so my people, I show salute to Arebe your homeboy MC Marvelous, born the voice of Africa in Asia, the Amlata one of Agbokin, the Onumiagemege one of Africa, aka the only boy in the travel the whole world with a passport and visa. Yes, so now the smart we don't call her to go back now remain instead of batting Mary for. Yes, so my brothers and my sisters, not the smart Yawa dog gas as I tell you so Kasala dog boss. All the Biafrans, if you know say you be Biafra, my brother, my sisters, not be small thing you don tear, you don red o. Not be small thing dey happen like this, like this, like this so. Today so. Maybe Tuesday like this so. And we call yara for court life and direct, not be small thing o. Na ogbonge news wey e dey shele right now. Say the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, say their leader, wey dem dey call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they say we like this, they don gbaba, not be small thing. They say they fake gbaba before in the year 2017. Say they call bail on behalf of because of say one or two people person talk, and they can't release am, they can't give am, they can't grant am bail. My brothers and my sisters, person when inside shorty for am, not be small thing. They say na that person they will come hold put. So my brothers and my sisters, na so they come write later. They come say we like this, make they provide Nnamdi Kanu. This one they tell you so. Nnamdi Kanu they tell you he don run reach UK we like this. It's because go dey enjoy itself for there. They call run leave the count charges. They say na level count charges. Now they give am we like this so. You know say they say when Nigeria celebrate happy Independence Day that day. And they come talk say we like this say make they provide Nnamdi Kanu. Say anybody wey fit provide Nnamdi Kanu, they will give 100 billion naira. So since that day so my brothers and my sisters, we no know say Nigeria government they take am serious. They take the matter very serious well. They come say they go fish out the people wey be like say they dey spread the people wey be like say they want divide the country. Say the people wey dey back there they go capitalize all of them. They go capitalize all of them. They cannot go bite my tongue, my brothers and my sisters. They say they go let justice to prevail. So my brothers and my sisters, now be the ogbonge news wey dey shele right now so. Na MC Marvelous, born the voice of Africa in Asia. Now they throw on this ogbonge news so. So we like this so life and direct. Now we call siam. We can watch and live and direct when the BBC Niger they give us the ogbonge live video today. Say the indigenous people of Biafra, the leader be Nnamdi Kanu, say they carry a court today. As they carry a court, my brothers and my sisters, they say na black tracksuit na you wear. Even one man self, the way they interview one man wey be na see journalist for one make I not call the station name to avoid story that touch. Now the man can't touchalize everything. He say life and direct. Say see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Say it look healthy, it look good, it look nice. He can't take permission. Say he want talk. They can't give Nnamdi Kanu chance make he talk. As soon as the Kanu can talk, he can say we like this. The reason he say he run for a dear life because of people they go destabilize the house, brutalize some people for there. They say na that fear now he can make a run come up for the country. Now they can say no, say they don't go gree say but that will not be enough. As you run so where you run go, you not see keep quiet. You see they from there they ginger men, they put fire for men body, make they do things. They say because of many houses where they don't burn for the east, for many things, many government property where they don't destabilize. They say now the leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they say now the power boys, now the ginger boys, now they give their tools, they give their color everything. They say so therefore justice must be prevailed. Say we like right now with the level charges where they give us so they say make it call face court. They say make it call face court, make it go for her. Say this one where they don't cash us so they say they go must hold her tight. You know say if you cash pussy for cage, my brothers and my sisters, you go ready for our well. So now so it just be, and you know say rats no dey use eye dey see fish. So my brothers and my sisters, they say they don capitalize Nnamdi Kanu right now. According to people say they not see am with eye. Some people say they see am. So all the journalists wey they see tell us BBC broken, cause they let us know say they dey there before they reach there. Say we like this before they reach there, they don't discharge Nnamdi Kanu comot for court. So my brothers and my sisters, they will hear say they bring a court today. So they can give the final judgment. They can say the judge can say we like this, they go sit down make the reason it matter. Say na on October now they go reason the case. But after the finalization, where they don't go the caucus meeting come back, now they can say we like this. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say make they bring a court on the 26th of July. Will be this new month where they want enter. So say case go take place on the 26th of July. So my brothers and my sisters, they say according to Nigeria government, they say anybody when he commit anything for the country, say they go must take as serious, so that say they not go take am lightly. They say because Nigeria not be small country wey they say they play, where you go just fuck up. They let people know say Nigeria they not they forget their fuck up. Say anything wey you do, they go must bring you come back anywhere you dey. Nobody go fit follow government dey fight all over the world. But make una not see forget say not be only Nigeria be the country wey don see divide. So many countries don see divide for the world. So my brothers and my sisters, the followers of Nnamdi Kanu, all the great Biafra people, this na an opportunity for una to stand for your right. Make you stand for your right. Make you pray for your God. Any God wey you know say you dey serve, if you know say you be Biafra. So my brothers and my sisters, na ogbonge news wey dey shele right now. This na una brother MC Marvelous Bomb, the voice of Africa. Na dey travel na this ogbonge message. For here wey we gidigba for Dubai, so we dey see everywhere. If you want know more about wetin happen, and I go dey here go dey give una live and direct news wetin go take place that on the 26th. Before that day, many people go see talk as the government dey happy right now. So we like this they do. I hear say some of them even go club like this now, go dey flex, they enjoy, they do 1 shot 2 shot, they hang all the baby dem. They happy say they don move, they don finally castalize the person wey dem dey find since the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu say hand don finally meet am, they don finally bring am come Nigeria. So we like this they come say dem for go put am for inside big prison wey be like say mosquito for the shop before, but dem come look am say based on say na man with dignity, na man wey dey fight for freedom, e no be small name, na big fish. So my brothers and my sisters, you know say na see dem o. Dem come still do am one kind, dem say make dem put am for DSS office. So say na for there e go dey safe, e go dey calm, dem no go molest am. The thing go just still dey like say dem still arrest am, because dem talk say this time dem no go let am comot, dem go crystallize am day and night. Anything wey dey do, dem go dey crystallize am, dey monetarize am. Say na so my brothers and my sisters, as I dey tell una, so Mazi Nnamdi Kanu don finally crystallize am. E dey for Nigeria government hand, e dey for DSS office like this. So my brothers and my sisters, all the lovers of Biafra, all Biafra lovers, abeg make una dey pray, make una dey pray una prayer now, because Nigeria government, this one wey dem dey so no be small thing. Dem take am very serious, my brothers and my sisters. So abeg make una dey pray. You know say animal wey catch trap miss before, if e see wood wey e bend, e go run from am. So my brothers and my sisters, this one now Nnamdi Kanu now, dem say dem don capitalize am. Although we never see the real picture, the person wey e dey there, journalist wey dey there live and direct, he talk am say he know Nnamdi Kanu. He say na Nnamdi Kanu na dem catch come, he come take permission, he come talk, dem come allow am talk, he come give the reason why he discharge comot for Nigeria. He say na because he dey fear for him life. He say he discharge for him life. Say because dem brutalize so many people for him house, they destabilize so many things. So therefore na wetin make am run comot for the country be that. So make dem pardon am, and dem come say you for no dey talk for where you dey, so you for remove your hand for the sharing of Nigeria matter. So na the ogbonge news wey dey share right now. If you want to know more about the story, follow me MC Marvelous Bomb, the voice of Africa in Asia, the Amlata one of Agbo Kingdom, aka the only boy dey travel the whole world without passport and visa. Yes, so my people, one love. If you want to know more, abeg follow me for YouTube, MC Marvelous Bomb. Abeg like, subscribe, share this video as you dey hot, as you see the video, so may you share am. And so e just be make una dey subscribe please, so that my church can move to the permanent side. Instead of Batimere for Pregede is a now, Ajariyo is a verb. Now so it just be prayer or church strong well. Then of scatter the world church. Make we leave wetin dey right for moto. May we enter moto, may we dey go where we dey go. And then I am MC Marvelous Bomb, the voice of Africa in Asia. My brother, like, subscribe. If you want to know more about wetin go happen on the 26th of July regarding the case how dem go drizzle in matter, follow that day. May you follow me, may you kala your mamu.